anything that you may want to confess tonight before you go in?
Sean Diddy Combs is facing a significant shakeup in his legal team as one of his defense attorneys, Anthony Ricco, has officially filed a motion to withdraw from representing the hip-hop mogul. This sudden move comes with little explanation, as Ricco expressed in his filing, stating, "Under no circumstances can I continue to effectively serve as counsel for Mr. Combs." While the reason behind his decision remains unclear, Ricco's affidavit, obtained by People, confirms that he chose to keep details vague, likely to respect attorney-client confidentiality. Now, the motion is in the hands of the court, and a judge will need to approve it before Ricco is formally released from the case. Although his departure may seem abrupt, Combs will still have a sizable legal team in place, with 5 other lawyers, including lead attorney Mark Agnifilo, who continue to represent him in his ongoing federal sex trafficking case. Ricco also mentioned that his decision to step down came after a discussion with Agnifilo, but further specifics were not provided, likely to avoid breaching sensitive legal matters that might be protected by privilege. Ricco emphasized in his motion that his withdrawal, if approved by the court, would not disrupt the ongoing legal proceedings. This motion for withdrawal of counsel, if granted, will not result in a delay of the present schedule for the commencement of jury selection and trial, or the present schedules for briefing of pretrial legal issues, Ricco stated. He further assured that Combs would not experience any lapse in legal representation, as the music mogul still has a team of 5 other attorneys actively handling his defense. As of now, Sean Diddy Combs remains in federal custody while awaiting trial. The former Bad Boy Records CEO, who once dominated the music industry, now faces serious federal charges, including sex trafficking, racketeering, and transportation for the purpose of prostitution. These charges were brought against him in September following an extensive investigation in the Southern District of New York. Despite the severity of the allegations, Combs has pleaded not guilty and continues to fight the case. Efforts to secure his release on bail have been unsuccessful, as 3 different federal judges have ruled against it. Their primary concern revolves around the potential risk of witness tampering, a factor that prosecutors have emphasized in their arguments against granting bail. For now, Combs remains detained at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn, where he awaits his trial, which is set to begin on May 5th. With legal battles intensifying and mounting pressure from the prosecution, all eyes are on how his high-profile defense team will navigate the case in the coming months.